Hello folks, this is Tony Drake from WealthWisconsin.com with our February 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the major economic headlines to give you some insight into what they mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. Financial markets continue to be volatile in February as overseas events overshadowed the U.S. economy. While domestic indicators show that economic growth is on track at home, investors worried about what might be brewing overseas. Europe was in focus as Greece negotiated with EU creditors for a new round of bailout money. While Greece's new leaders promised voters an end to painful austerity measures, the new agreement didn't resolve anything. Instead, it just kicked the can down the road until the next round of credit talks. Markets reacted positively to the deal because Greece will stay solvent and remain in the EU. On the domestic front, we got a second look at fourth quarter economic growth and discovered that the economy grew at a slower pace than initially estimated. However, the good news is that consumer spending, one of the largest contributors to the economy, grew at the fastest pace in 4 years. Hopefully, an improving job market and low gasoline costs will continue to support consumer spending this year. Fourth quarter earnings season is winding down, and the overall picture is mixed. While earnings for S&P 500 companies were up 6.5%, revenues were up just 1.6%. These numbers showed that many U.S. businesses are still struggling with weak demand. We finally got some more guidance from the Federal Reserve about interest rates. Fed Chair Janet Yellen spoke before the House and Senate and indicated that the central bank may raise rates as early as July. Though the rate raise may affect the stock market, banks may respond by raising consumer rates to compete for your business. Rate increases may also make mortgages and loans more expensive, so you may want to factor that into any major purchases you plan to make this year. In the weeks ahead, we expect to see additional volatility as investors factor in interest rates, oil prices, and economic issues abroad. However, keep in mind that volatility presents opportunity, and we continue to monitor markets to look for opportunities for you, our clients. That's it for the February Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please visit our website, WealthWisconsin.com, for contact information. Once again, this is Tony Drake with WealthWisconsin.com, signing off for the month of February 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please call our office to set up an appointment. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thanks again.